In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new tab in Asana. Asana is a powerful tool for managing projects and tasks, and understanding how to navigate and customize your workspace is essential for maximizing productivity. Adding a new tab can help you organize your information more effectively and make your project view more comprehensive. Let's dive into the simple steps needed to do this. First, begin by opening the Asana project where you'd like to add the new tab. This could be any project you are managing or collaborating on, so choose the one that needs a bit more structure or where you think an additional tab will be particularly useful. Once you have your project open, take a look at the top of the page where your current tabs are displayed. These tabs typically show different sections or views of your project, such as tasks, calendar, and more. Now, I want you to locate the plus icon. This is usually found right next to the last tab on your row of tabs. Clicking this icon is your gateway to adding a new tab to your project. The plus icon is there precisely for this purpose, making it straightforward to expand your project views with just a few clicks. After clicking the plus icon, you'll be presented with a list of tabs you can add. This list comprises various view options or sections that Asana offers to help segment your project data. Consider what kind of view might be most useful for your current project needs. For instance, if you need to track progress visually, you might add a timeline or board view. Once you've identified the tab that will enhance your project workflow, go ahead and select it from the list. Once you've made your selection, the tab will be added to your project. You'll see it appear alongside your existing tabs, providing quick access to new ways to view and manage your data. One of the great things about Asana is that as soon as a new tab is added, it automatically integrates with your existing project data. This means that any relevant information from other sections or tabs you have set up will be connected, ensuring that your project remains seamlessly organized. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully added a new tab to your Asana project, expanding your ability to manage and visualize your tasks effectively. This addition can significantly streamline your workflow and ensure all necessary information is at your fingertips, enhancing your project's efficiency. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this helps you take your Asana project management to the next level. Happy organizing!